This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Lynn Miller. Sophisticated two-story penthouse condo with over 3,300 square feet of interior living space. Gated community with private elevator entrance to your home. Spacious and flexible floor plan in the main living area. The open kitchen has granite counters, upgraded storage and top-of-the-line appliances including gas range, an additional electric wall oven, microwave, dishwasher, and 2 refrigerators. 1 on the 2nd floor. Spa-like bathrooms, 3 ensuite bedrooms. Large closets with custom built-ins. 2 assigned parking spaces in the gated lot. Private rooftop deck with great citywide views. Outdoor storage room on deck plus assigned indoor storage unit. This urban oasis is conveniently located close to everything downtown has to offer. Shown by appointment with 24-hour notice. November 8, 2024. For more information, review the details below.